Hello everyone. Today marks 3 weeks of my resolution. Uh, so over the course of these 3 weeks, I have on a daily basis gone for a walk for 1 hour and read a book each day for 1 hour. I actually took, as you would know, the last week I actually took a resolution that each day I will code for 2 hours. Because I'm an INTJ, as I have told in one of my previous videos. uh, like my I5, which like I am trying to improve my TE. My FI is has not, like I have my TE is still weak, and over the last 1 week I have not been on a daily basis been able to code for 2 hours. um, there have been days, like 3 4 days, when I did not code or coded for 1 hour or so. So over the next week I will try to improve on that. And I will try to basically daily code for 2 hours. One thing which I realized was, maybe I'm not I'm not, I don't feel like coding. I will tell you first of all my plans. So I have actually kind of decided what do I would like to do to achieve my goal. um, so what I have decided is, basically I will over this course of time try to start a company in US and make it and kind of get this company working and be able to achieve my goal of saving of 5 million USD by end of 3 years. So in order to achieve this goal of basically starting a company in US, my plan is now to apply for a PR in Canada. And then at the same time, so I'm in India right now, and I'm a married man. I'm trying to find a job in India, but my core plan is basically to move to Canada, open a company in US, and because of the same time zone, basically operate that company from Canada along with my peers who maybe in US or in Canada. So in order to achieve that plan, what I'm trying to do now is, first of all, trying to expedite my movement to Canada, applying for PR, trying to find a job in Canada. To try In trying to find a job in Canada, basically I need to give interviews, and the 2 hours of coding that I was thinking to give each day, I'm contributing to interview preparations. But as such, because probably this is not related to my core drive, which is to start a company, I am not on a daily basis able to give 2 hours. Though lately, over the last 2 3 days, I have been trying to give it regularly. So what I have decided is, apart from preparing for interviews, I will build something, a product software of my own. And I naturally I feel interested in doing something like that, because it is basically related to my motive, where I want to stand in 3 years from now. So that's the plan. I will basically keep on giving 2 hours, more than 2 hours. I will try to give more than 2 hours from now, from next week, to coding. This coding will include both interview preparation and building my own software. Other than that, starting from tomorrow, what I plan to do is, on a daily basis, drink 8 glasses of water. um, so that's my new plan, because as you would know, that water is definitely very good for our health, and I plan to be strong in both physically and mentally. So starting from tomorrow, um, I will be basically reading a book 1 hour each, going doing a walk 1 hour each, coding for 2 hours or more, and also drinking 10 glasses of water on a daily basis. um, Meet you all next week. Thank you. Bye.